from grade 7.
I am KJ Barsha from grade 7.
I am Aarti Anamika from grade 7 from Hindu Vidyalaya Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Martanda. We are here with the project Automatic Hand Washing Machine. We are happy to participate in the ATL Marathon by the Team Health.
Practicing proper hand hygiene is essential to protecting public health. Public places are required to use hand sanitizer, which leads to the thing that there were stall contact between people. By using automatic hand washing machine, we want to reduce physical contact. Aim of this project to develop a touch-free system that will dispense soap and water to allow users to wash their hands.
Components required for this project is breadboard, Arduino UNO, jumper wires, servo motor, 9-volt battery, ultrasonic sensor.
Working of this project. The automatic hand washing machine provides an optimized simple manipulation of hand washing. Infrared radiation from our hand and turn it into the main signal during our procedure. The signal from IR sensor will control the pump, which spray hand sanitizer.
Uses of this project is prevent spread of infection, bacteria and keep you healthy. We hope that you like our project. We heartily thank our management, all the mentors and teachers who helps throughout the project. We had delightful experience in the ATL app, which also helps us to think creatively and also ignited innovative mind. Thank you.